Excellencies, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, Sawasdee krap. Good morning to you all. As Chairman of the Board of the Sustainable Arts and Crafts Institute of Thailand, or SASIT, it is my great honor and pleasure to welcome you to the SASIT Symposium 2025. This year's theme, Crafting Sustainability Across ASEAN and Beyond, reflects SASIT's deep commitment not only to preserve cultural heritage, but to also advance traditional crafts into the future, supporting resilience and sustainable growth for artisan communities. In today's world, sustainability spans across diverse and interconnected dimensions. At SASIT, we believe that true sustainability in the craft sector begins with local wisdom and skills, which are passed down through generations and continuously transformed through creativity and innovation. These crafts are more than beautiful objects. They are both a reflection and sources of identity, pride, and most importantly, livelihood. Craftsmanship, in this sense, is a living expression of cultural identity and a driver of human development. This aligns closely with UNESCO's vision of culture as a pillar of sustainable development, and with the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals and Culture 2030 indicators, which underpins SASIT's own development trajectory. SASIT's work covers 4 core dimensions. First, environmental resilience through the protection of cultural heritage, both tangible and intangible. Second, economic empowerment by strengthening creative industries to generate viable streams of income and opportunities. Third, knowledge transmission through education, mentorship, and intergenerational learning. And fourth, social inclusion by ensuring access and representation for all, especially for vulnerable and marginalized groups. SASIT is proud to be a leading institution in Thai craftsmanship, placing human development, equality, and inclusion at the heart of our mission. We strive to ensure that crafts become a platform where neglected and vanishing traditions are respected and preserved, and all people, regardless of gender, age, ability, or background, can thrive. Beyond the national level, SASIT also plays a growing role in ASEAN and global arenas. As a public organization, we are Thailand's cultural ambassador, promoting dialogue, building partnerships, and positioning Thai craftsmanship as a valuable force for regional and international collaboration. This symposium embodies that vision. Our special focus for this year is on lacquer, a material deeply rooted in Thai traditional arts and widely used across many cultures. Lacquer reflects the close relationship between craftsmanship and the environment, as its production depends on local natural resources and ecological knowledge. Placing emphasis on lacquer, we also highlight our belief that sustainability must grow from local wisdom, respecting tradition while responding to the needs of today. Other highlights at the symposium open valuable opportunities for dialogue, inviting diverse perspectives on how crafts can adapt, innovate, and thrive in changing times. With participants from across ASEAN and beyond, this gathering serves as a space for knowledge exchange, network building, and the shared reaffirmation that crafts are not relics of the past, but powerful agents for a sustainable and inclusive future. As chairman of the board of SASIT, I am confident that connections and ideas shared here will contribute to long-lasting impact across borders and human generations. Excellencies, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, it is now my honor to declare the SASIT Symposium 2025 officially open. ขอบคุณครับ Thank you.